If you're considering to start a photography business in the Philippines, here's how to do it. Step 1, start with what you have. You don't need the best gear. Just learn how to use what you have or what you've got. Step 2, pick your niche. Is it weddings, commercial photography, real estate photography? Choose what best interests you or what you think you're already good at. Knowing your lane helps you market better. Step 3, register your business. Napakahalaga na registered ang business mo, especially if you want to tap into a better market. Siyempre, magsisimula ka sa DTI to reserve for your name, BIR for your receipts. Don't skip this part. Clients prefer legit. Step 4, build your portfolio. Shoot friends, do test shoots, do demo shoots, and then post your work consistently. Step 5, network like crazy. Join FB groups, collaborate with other artists, reach out, do cold calls, email marketing, and see where your target clients are.